Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a Google Excel sheet, but we just call it Google Sheets. So first thing you need to do if you don't have a Google account, go to Google and usually you just log in with your Google account here. So I have mine here and let's go here. You can go to the drive, basically just click new and then Google Sheets. So this one is very important, and if you want to manage everything wisely, from your laptop to your mobile, it will be synced. So here are some important features. Then you can have the tools here, the main tools. Then you can share it here, and then if it's like a working Google Sheet, then you can share it through your colleagues' emails or your thesis partner's emails. You can put the task here and you can chat all together when you decide to have like everyone should work at the same time. Then you can chat, everyone's online, and then you can also add comments. So what I like about Google Sheets is that you can bring it anywhere, and I use my phone. So you can also, for example, freeze, like compared to Excel sheets, like this one is friendly to use, like the ones which are important, then you would know how to manipulate it through formulas quite easily than the Excel one. So here you can go up to column A, then it would freeze like that even if you go to letter Z. So that's like one of my favorite features, to freeze the column, or you can freeze the row, any rows, even up to here. It's really up to you. So it's basically good when you are trying to grade your students as well here. And of course you name it, and then the way that you can also like customize it right quickly